if you can try and think about all the things that you don't like in your current kitchen and make like a wish list of what you do want, and I think that really helps you. Hi, my name's Chris. This is my wife Gemma. We live in Derby with our 2 children, Gabriel and Lucia.
We spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We spend a lot of time having our families over. We spend a lot of time entertaining. For us, that was the most important aspect of having an extension and a new kitchen, was that we were able to accommodate everyone. When we went into the Wren kitchen showroom, it was actually the first big kitchen showroom we'd ever been into. Everyone was so nice and welcoming, and there was a lovely man at the door, and he said, "I've got a great colleague that can help you." And he was absolutely amazing with the children, and they had really great little play areas where they could play video games or watch DVDs, and nothing was a problem at all. Like, they weren't annoyed when they saw us for like the 15th time. They were just really, really accommodating with the children.
Yeah. And I think that was part of the reason why we chose Wren, because of the whole ethos of how they work and how well they looked after us in store. So our designer, John, from the Derby branch, was absolutely amazing.
He'd got lots and lots of experience in designing kitchens and thought of things that we hadn't thought of.
He helped us refine the concept that we were looking for, and one of my favourite elements was actually the double fridge. It's by far my favourite thing in the whole house.
He got 2 single tall freezer units and put them side by side, so the doors are just on the opposite way, which is quite genius. With regards to the splashback in here, we decided to go for a full quartz. And I think when we went to see John, he was like, "You want to do what?" You know, but actually I think it's really made the kitchen.
A key aspect of our design and the excitement building up to it was when John loaded it all onto the system and then said, "Do you want to go and see it?" And then we asked, "What do you mean?" And then he told us about the virtual reality aspect, and we just jumped at the opportunity.
I think it was really good as well for us because our build wasn't finished.
So
we could look around the whole build, like the bifold doors were in there, even the placement of the dining table, so that was really, really good.
Speaking to John at the store, he showed us the options for the finance deals they had, and it actually really helped us because we were able to upgrade certain elements of the kitchen and also purchase better appliances.
After the build was completed, we actually got our builders to stay on and fit our kitchen for us. They'd fitted quite a few Wren kitchens before, and they definitely recommend them because everything comes pre-built. So it saves a lot of time, which obviously saved us a lot of costs.
I think for me personally, because I work from home, to be able to come out of the office room and come into this open space, it's just a breath of fresh air. I love coming into the kitchen, I love hearing the buzz, the kids playing, there's food, the smells, the doors are open onto the garden, and yeah, the kitchen just really sets it off for me. And I even sit here and work from here sometimes as well. Without a heartbeat, I'd recommend Wren to everyone. I'm impressed with the quality, the standard of kitchen, and also
the choice.
And the innovation. It's great.
It's really great, and the choice is really good, and I think there's something for every different style, so whatever style you're going
and every
for,
budget,
every budget, you can definitely find something.
Absolutely.